Good morning, my dear students. This is our third class in social science. We discuss about the last class, Roman Empire. Roman Empire, largest ancient empire. Do you know Roman Empire? Largest ancient empire. Roman Empire divided into two, Eastern Roman Empire and Western Roman Empire. Eastern Roman Empire, capital at Constantinople. Earlier name of Constantinople, Byzantium. This is called Byzantium Empire. Then nowadays name is Constantinople, Istanbul. Then next, the Justinian was the famous emperor Eastern Roman Empire. Justinian was the famous emperor Eastern Roman Empire. The contribution of Justinian, the codification of existing Roman laws into a law, corpus juris civilis. Listen, Justinian was the famous emperor in Eastern Roman Empire. Justinian was famous emperor Eastern Roman Empire. The contribution of Justinian laws, codification of all existing Roman laws into a code of law, juris corpus civilis. Listen, codification of existing Roman laws, corpus juris civilis. Okay, look at the chart. Listen, look at the chart. Corpus juris civilis, Justinian code corpus juris civilis in three parts. Corpus juris civilis in three parts. First one, the code. Second one, the digest. Third one, institution. Corpus juris civilis or Justinian code divided into three parts. First one, the code. Then second one, the digest. Then third one, institution. The code means the book containing laws prevailed in the Roman Empire. Listen, the code means the book containing laws prevailed in the Roman Empire. Okay, listen. Then next, the digest. The book which record the opinion of the juries regarding the laws, the digest. Digest, the book which records the opinion of the jurist regarding the laws. Then third one, institutes. The small book intended for the study of law. The small book intended for the study of law. This is the three part of Justinian code. Listen, Justinian was the famous emperor in Eastern Roman Empire. Eastern Roman Empire. Justinian code divided into three. Justinian code divided into three. First one, the code. Second one, the digest. Then third one, institution. Okay. Who was the famous emperor in Eastern Roman Empire? Who was the famous emperor? Do you know? Okay, Justinian. Justinian was the famous emperor in Eastern Roman Empire. Okay, listen. Then what are the contribution of Justinian laws? Justinian laws divided into three parts. First one, the code. Second one, the digest. Then third one, institution. Okay, clear? Then we discuss the next part, we discuss the next part, Holy Roman Empire. Listen. We discuss the next part, Holy Roman Empire. Okay, Holy Roman Empire. Western Roman Empire with Rome was capital, captured by France. Western Roman Empire with Rome as capital was captured by France. Captured by France. Who was France? Do you know? Who was France? France was a tribal group. Okay, listen. France was a tribal group. They established, or France established the Frankish Empire. Okay, that is the Franks tribal groups or nomadic tribal groups. Franks tribal groups or nomadic tribal groups established the Frankish Empire. Okay, listen. France established the Frankish Empire or nomadic group or tribal group established the Frankish Empire. Okay. Charlemagne was the famous Frankish emperor. Charlemagne was the famous emperor in this empire or Frankish Empire. He is from Carolingian dynasty. Charlemagne from Carolingian dynasty. Charlemagne was the famous emperor or famous ruler of Frankish dynasty. He is from Carolingian dynasty. Do you know why it was calling Holy Roman Empire? Okay, it is interesting. Once upon a time, the Lombards attacked the spiritual head of Catholic Church, Pope Leo III. Once upon a time, the Lombards attacked the spiritual head of Catholic Church, Pope Leo III. Okay. Frankish Emperor Charlemagne undertake these issues and save the Pope. Frankish Emperor Charlemagne undertake these issues and escape or save the Pope Leo III. As a token of gratitude, the Pope crowns him as a Holy Roman Emperor. Listen, as a token of gratitude, the Pope crowns him as the Holy Roman Emperor. Hence, his empire was Holy Roman Empire. His Roman Empire was Holy Roman Empire. Charlemagne Empire was Holy Roman Empire. Listen. Why it was calling Holy Roman Empire? Charlemagne or Frankish Empire, why was calling Holy Roman Empire? Once upon a time, the Lombards attacked the spiritual head of Catholic Church, Pope Leo III. Then that time, Frankish Emperor Charlemagne undertake these issues and escape or save the Pope Leo III. As a token of gratitude, the Pope crowns him as the Holy Roman Emperor. Hence, his empire, Charlemagne Empire, was known as Holy Roman Empire. Okay, listen. Can you follow me? Then Charlemagne was the great conqueror and efficient ruler. Okay, listen. Charlemagne was the great conqueror and efficient ruler. Okay. Then Charlemagne captured almost area of Western Europe. Charlemagne captured almost area of Western Europe. Okay, he focused the political alliance and matrimonial relation with other countries. Okay, listen. Charlemagne was great conqueror and efficient ruler. Then second point, he focused matrimonial relation and political alliance in other country. Then he captured almost area of Western Europe. Then next one, the term counts is connected with the Charlemagne Empire. Counts. What means counts? It is a group of officers to local administration areas. Counts, a group of officers to administrative local areas in his empire. The next term, Missae Dominici. Missae Dominici is a secret group. Missae Dominici was a group of officers to check the activities of count. The next contribution, Charlemagne, he introduced the centralized administration. The next contribution of Charlemagne created a relief fund for poor people. Charlemagne created a relief fund for poor people. Charlemagne established network education institutions, a lot of educational institutions. Charlemagne established a lot of educational institutions. Charlemagne created a relief fund for poor people. Then next, the intellectual awakening was known as Carolingian Renaissance. An intellectual awakening was happened by the help of his educational program. The intellectual awakening was known as Carolingian Renaissance. Okay. What are the contribution of Charlemagne? Charlemagne was the famous ruler or emperor in Frankish Empire. Okay, Charlemagne was great conqueror and efficient ruler. He captured almost area of West Europe. He focused political alliance and matrimonial relation in other country. Charlemagne introduced centralized administration. The term Missae Dominici is connected to his empire. Counts was Counts was a group of officers in local administration in areas in his empire. Then Mise Dominici is a secret group, a group of officers. Check the activities of counts. Check the activities of counts. Then Charlemagne create a lot of educational institutions. Charlemagne created a lot of educational institutions. Charlemagne created relief fund for poor people. Relief fund for poor people. Then Carolingian Renaissance. Introduced the Carolingian Renaissance. Okay. Then Charlemagne. After the Charlemagne, the Holy Roman Emperor collapsed. Gradually collapsed. After the Charlemagne, Holy Roman Empire collapsed. Okay, listen. Then sum up the Holy Roman Empire. Holy Roman Empire and Western Roman Empire. Charlemagne. Contribution of Charlemagne. Okay. Then listen. Take your notebook. Write a short note. Listen. Write a short note. Question number 1. Write a short note on Justinian Court. Write a short note on Justinian Court. Then what are the contribution of, then second question, with the death of Charlemagne, Frankish Empire divided, then gradually collapsed. With the death of Charlemagne, Frankish Empire divided and gradually collapsed. Okay, listen. Then now I am going to sum up the session. Then take your notebook. Write down some important questions. Okay, listen. Take your notebook. Write down some important questions. Question number 1. Write a short note on Justinian Court. Write a short note on Justinian Court. Okay. Question number 2. What are the contribution of Charlemagne? What are the contribution of Charlemagne? Then third question. Explain the term Holy Roman Empire. Explain the term Holy Roman Empire. Listen. Question number 1. Write a short note on Justinian Court. Justinian Court divided into 3 parts. The court, the digest and institution. Then question number 2. What are the contribution of Charlemagne? What are the contribution of Charlemagne? Charlemagne was a great conqueror and efficient ruler. He captured almost area of West Europe. He focused political alliance and matrimonial relation in other countries. He introduced centralized administration. He started a relief fund for poor people. He started a lot of educational institutions. Then term counts and Mise Dominici. Okay. Then write down the answer. Then send my WhatsApp number as early as possible. Okay. Thank you.